Well, hello, and who is this girl standing in front of a hoop? No, you are not losing your mind. It is me, Laurie Bloom. If you've been following me for a while, you know I primarily teach aerial silks and flexibility. But back in the days of yore, I did used to train aerial hoop on a regular basis. And since there happened to be a free hoop rigged in this room today, I thought, hey, maybe we do a simple aerial hoop tutorial. Today I have for you Dragonfly on the aerial hoop. It is a simple but pretty little shape you can make. Now, even though this is a fairly easy move or sequence, I still think it's very important to practice with a safety mat, especially if you are newer to hoop. This is a beginning move we are doing today. However, I think some hoop experience is necessary just to know the feel of where your body should go in time and space. Also, if you like aerial silks, aerial hoop, hey, I might even do an aerial hammock, sequence tutorials, or flexibility tutorials, please hit the like and subscribe button with the notification bell on. All right, let's get into it. You're going to start by getting into a seated position on the hoop any way you like. Now, believe it or not, if your hoop is close to the ground, you are going to have a harder time making this shape, but that's okay. We can still do it. From your seated position, you're going to choose one hand to stay high, one hand to stay low. For me, my high hand is going to be my left hand. I'm going to bring my right hand right down by my side. There, I'm going to press my right hand into the hoop and pull with my left hand to scooch my booty more over to the left side of the hoop, aka the same side of the hoop that your high hand is holding. Trying to keep that right arm or the hand that's holding low, straight and strong, slowly scooch your booty off of the hoop. As you lower down, make sure you trap the hoop in your high hand's armpit. As long as your right arm is straight and you feel safe, you can release with your left hand and make that pretty shape. And guess what? That's your dragonfly. There are different ways to get out of this shape. Today we are going to exit by lifting both knees up high and bringing both legs over the hoop over our lower hand. As my legs lift, I like to remove the hand out of the way so it does not get crushed. From here, you can have a little moment of rest. To return to seated, I'm going to take the same hand as lower leg and flamenco it, meaning face the palm away to grab the hoop from the outside to the inside. And then I reach across with my other hand. And from there, I can kind of give myself a little pull back into seated position. We're going to do this one more time at normal speed without a spin. I'll talk you through it a little quicker. First things first, one hand goes high, one hand goes low. Whichever hand is high, you use your low hand. This time I'm using my left hand as low to scoot your booty towards the high hand. And then from there, keep pressing with that lower hand as you scoot your butt off the hoop. Take a moment, release that high hand. You could even use that hand to grab a foot or something for another pretty shape. When you're ready to exit, lift both knees up, place both legs over the hoop. You can pause for a cause here, take a rest. When you're ready to exit, same hand as bottom leg, flamingos across your face, grabs the hoop, other hand reaches across, and you kind of pop back into seated. All right, one of the reasons I hate doing hoop is because I hate spinning, but I'm going to do this for you guys again without talking, with a slow spin, just so you can get the feel of it if it were more of a flow. And that is it. That is all she has for you today. But hey, we did the Lyra, something a little different. Let me know what you think about Dragonfly in the comments below. You can also let me know in the comments if you have any requests for any other aerial or flexibility tutorials or any YouTube video within the umbrella of this topic. One more reminder to like and subscribe, and until the next time, I hope you all have a fit and fabulous day. Bye-bye.